So today we are going to go on a walk through our very own Organ Mountains, and we'll enjoy the beauty of nature while we also learn how to ground ourselves. So grounding is something that we can see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. We'll go through it more in a little bit. So grounding is a process you use when you are feeling overwhelmed or too stressed. And it's a way for us to take time to pause and allow for us to get calm. So we use our senses in order to get to a calm state. So as you watch the video, find ways to ground yourself. Ask yourself questions like, what colors do I see? What patterns? What textures? What can I see far off in the distance? Could I hear anything? Is there plants that you could possibly taste? What else do you see?